Today I am explaining one more type of instructions called loading constants. The concept is called loading constants. So under this we have to discuss two instructions. One is a load register, one is a address, ADR, two instructions. Now loading constant means the constant word you might have know about this in any higher level language. The constant value, a fixed number or fixed value. So what happens is we have done so many assembly language programs by now, but we have used move instruction where we can load data, a particular immediate data into register. Now the one issue with ARM processor instructions is that even though every register is 32-bit, ARM do not have any instruction which allow us to load a 32-bit constant value, that is the number, 32-bit immediate number or 32-bit constant value into a 32-bit register. Okay, so that's what ARM instruction do not have any instruction where we can transfer a 32-bit constant value. I'm not saying 32-bit data. Okay, we can transfer register to register, that is 32-bit, but I'm saying a constant number, a constant value. Okay, like any variable value or constant value, I cannot transfer to a 32-bit register. That main reason why is that because in ARM all instructions are encoded into 32-bit size. Means entire instruction is encoded in 32-bit size. So instruction encoding means in that 32-bit size instruction which is encoded will have every details. What is that instruction, what are the registers involved, what is the data has to be transferred. So now whole instruction size is 32-bit. Then it cannot hold a 32-bit data separately which has to be transferred to register. Okay, so it's all about instruction encoding. So always remember ARM instruction is always 32-bit size. So in 32-bit size whole instruction has to be stored. Within that again I cannot store 32-bit of data. Okay, because whole instruction itself is 32-bit. So how to copy, move or transfer a 32-bit constant value, any value 32-bit constant value, either in binary format, hexadecimal or decimal, it doesn't matter. How to transfer a 32-bit number or a constant value into a register. So there are two instructions we have to discuss here. One is a load register instruction and one is a load address or address instruction. Okay. So now load register instruction where this is a syntax. I told you this instruction loading constant is a concept of loading a constant value that is 32-bit in size into a 32-bit register. Okay. No other instruction allow it. Now if you ask load and ADR, these two are instruction itself which allows to copy 32-bit data into any register. Then these are two instructions, but in background there is no such instruction actually. So when I use LDR or ADR, okay, when you use LDR or ADR to copy a 32-bit constant value into a register, by default LDR or ADR do not execute. These are the instruction for a programmer. But for the processor, when processor encounters LDR or ADR instruction, okay, and processor comes to know that programmer is trying to copy a 32-bit constant value, into a register, then processor will try to find out the best instruction which processor can make use to shift that 32-bit constant value to the given register. These two instructions are itself are not instructions. Okay, these two instructions trigger some other instructions based on the data we are moving. That explanation I will give at the end of the at the end of this session. So by default let us see what are the difference between these two instructions which allow us to copy 32-bit content to a register. Now LDR is loading constant value. Okay, loading constant value means LDR triggers any instruction which allows processor to copy constant value in 32-bit constant value into RD, that is destination register. Right, destination register, 32-bit constant value. Okay. Now LDR do not copy that 32-bit constant value. See here there is an equal sign. This is the syntax. LDR instruction do not copy this constant 32-bit value into RD. Instead, LDR, right? LDR instruction triggers some instruction which processor thinks suitable to copy that 32-bit value into RD. Maybe move instruction or move n antondide, MEN, move negative. We have studied this, no? Move instruction, move negative. Lot of instructions are there. The processor selects best suitable instruction and executes this transfer, that is 32-bit constant into RD. Now what is the difference between LDR and ADR? LDR will copy a any 32-bit constant value into destination register, whereas ADR is used to copy address into 32-bit address into a destination register. Okay, so this is we have used this equal sign in our lab programs. Go to lab program and find where we have used this instruction LDR, then destination register, comma, equal, and a constant value. So now what is the label? Label is an variable declared in the data area. Okay, so ADR, RD, and variable name. That time, instead of copying variable value into RD, ADR address copies the address of 32-bit address of that variable into RD. So these two are instructions actually. Now there are two statements written below, okay, which are very important. Okay, so the first pseudo instruction, that is here LDR. Okay, why we call it a pseudo instruction? Because these are not instruction itself. It do not copy constant value into the RD. These instruction triggers some other instruction like move instruction, move negative instruction. It triggers some other instruction so that anyhow this 32-bit constant value will be copied to destination register without any miss. Okay, so that LDR, that's why it is called pseudo instruction. Now the first pseudo instruction, that is LDR instruction, right, copies 32-bit constant to a register using whatever instructions are available. Whatever instructions are available means ultimate aim of LDR instruction is to copy this 32-bit constant value into RD. So it is ready to make use of any instruction, move negative instruction, such any instructions. Ultimately it has to copy 32-bit value into RD. But the second instruction, that is ADR instruction, it do not use any possible instruction, but it by default uses relative addressing, right? PC relative addressing concept. Okay, it by default uses PC relative addressing mode concept so that it can copy a 32-bit address of the given label into RD. Right? So here load R instruction uses any instruction depends on the value we have passed. Okay, if it is actually 32-bit value, it will use some particular instruction to copy that value to destination register. If the constant we have passed is less than 32-bit, it might use any simple instruction to copy that into destination register. So LDR selects a particular instruction based on the constant value we have passed and try to copy that 32-bit value or whatever the constant value we have passed into destination register. Whereas ADR instruction always uses PC relative addressing. Okay, so this is two difference. We can see it further. It always remember this, very important for exam. Two instructions. Okay, ADR to load address, 32-bit address, LDR to load 32-bit constant value. Okay, if you do not use this equal sign, if you use LDR, RD, and without equal sign, if you write a 32-bit immediate data, for example, I will give an example right here only. Okay, so I will write LDR. Okay, then I want to copy 32-bit content to R0, comma, I will write immediate data. Okay, immediate data and 32-bit number, some number. Okay, I will write it in hexadecimal. 32-bit means 8 digit, no? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 8 digits. 32 bits means in hexadecimal. Okay, now I am copying this 32-bit data into R0. This gives error because whole instruction itself will have a 32-bit memory. In the main memory, only 32-bit is given to store entire instruction. In that, this 32-bit value number source operand itself is one part of that instruction. So that's what I am telling you. Okay. So when whole instruction has only 32-bit memory, only part of the instruction, that is the source operand itself cannot be 32-bit. So now what happens? This gives error. This instruction gives error. So that in that case, we have to use, 1 minute, yeah. LDR loading constant concept, that is LDR R0 comma equal, right, equal hash, and I will write 32-bit value. Now there is LDR will fetch any one instruction, either move instruction or move an instruction, some instruction, and anyhow copy the 32-bit value into register. So this is how it works. Okay. Now we will concentrate only about LDR. We will leave that ADR instruction. Okay, there is nothing discuss much about that ADR instruction in syllabus. Okay, I will explain at the end of the session. So now we'll go for LDR pseudo instruction. Now I told you why we call it a pseudo instruction. Okay, because it is not an instruction itself. It selects best suitable instruction to transfer a 32-bit value to a given register. Okay, constant value to given register. Now LDR, okay, there are two types. You see, there are two possible way of LDR instruction. See, this is a pseudo instruction. What I am going to use in my program. This is what actual instruction executes in background when LDR is written. Okay, background LDR. See, this data, I am copying a constant value to R0 here, right? What is the size of this R0? The equal is the constant. 0x means hexadecimal and 2 digit. I told you every digit of hexadecimal is 4-bit. So 2 digit of hexadecimal, it is 8-bit. Now, since data itself is 8-bit, process your LDR instruction directly execute this instruction move, because this data is 8-bit, the source operand is 8-bit, then register, then move instruction. Total instruction can be fitted in 32-bit encoded format. So that's why when data is very small, when you use LDR and constant is very small like 8-bit or 16-bit probably, that time it uses move instruction. Okay, move instruction. Now LDR, I am using one more LDR instruction. Here I have used 32 bits. Again hexadecimal, you can count there are 8 digits here. Every digit is 4-bit, so this is 32-bit value. Now LDR is trying to transfer 32-bit constant into R0. Now move instruction cannot do this. Now in background LDR itself works. LDR instruction itself works in background, but with the PC relative concept. With the PC relative concept. Okay, we will study load and store instruction. This LDR instruction separately in different perspective in next session. That is the last topic of this chapter. Okay, now just remember LDR. Sometimes maybe LDR, some other example, LDR R0 and some other constant value. It may also use MOVN instruction, MVN instruction. Means the conversion. Right, whenever you write LDR instruction, background you need not to execute LDR instruction itself. LDR instruction selects best suitable instruction to transfer data, constant data into R0. So which instruction actually executes in background depends on size of the data, constant data that we are trying to move, right? So that's what we are, the example we have given. So there is a one more instruction. We'll come back to ADR instruction, right? So what is the ADR instruction? It is called address relative instruction or address instruction. It is used to load address, right? ADR, for example, R0 and any like sum. Okay, sum, where is the sum? Sum will be in my data area. I will declare sum. Okay, DCW and DCW is a 16-bit, right? Okay, we'll try. Okay, whatever. Okay, DCW and some value. Okay, 120. So this is how I declared in data area my sum variable, and this is for my instruction. Now this ADR, right? Do not copy value 12 to register R0 because I am not moving the value. This is address related ADR instruction. So it will copy the address of this sum in the main memory where it has stored this 12 value. Its address, 32-bit address will be copied to R0. Okay. So this is the ADR instruction. And this instruction places the address of the given label into register RD, always using PC relative addressing mode. PC relative add or subtract. That's addressing PC relative addressing mode using PC relative add or PC relative subtract. Okay. So this concept we will study in some other concept called load and store instructions in next session. Okay. So this is how ADR instruction works. So there are only two instructions which can we use to load big constant values, big numbers, like 32-bit numbers. So that time we can use either LDR or ADR. Means if you really want to copy a 32-bit data, then we go for LDR. If you want to copy address, 32-bit address of particular variable, then we will go for ADR instruction. Okay, so this is about LDR and ADR instruction.